United 520, Mayday, 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 compressor stall, engine 1.
520, roger, stay in tension.
For now, United 520, stand by.
520, roger, continue out present heading, climb and maintain 10,000, altitude your discretion.
United 520.
United 520 tower, you are getting a little bit outside my airspace there. Just advise your intentions. If not, I need to hand you off to approach.
That goes, if we could just get vectors, we'll obviously come back to Denver, United 520.
United 520, roger, contact departure on 127.05, I know you're coming.
2705, United 520. Number 1 engine failure, United 520.
United 520, roger, plan on approach from 834 left. Continue right turn heading of 220.
Right turn 220, United 520.
And United 520, when you have time for me to fold and fuel on board, please. United 520, contact approach 123.85.
United 520, 10,000, heading 180.
United 520, Denver approach, runway 34 left.
Runway 34 left, United 520.
United 520, descend and maintain 9,000.
9,000, United 520.
United 520, turn left heading 080.
Left turn 080, United 520.
United 520, turn left heading 020, intercept 34 left localizer.
020, intercept 34 left localizer, United 520.
United 528 miles from Winter, maintain 8,000 till established, cleared ILS, runway 34 left approach.
8,000 till established, cleared ILS 34 left, United 520. United 520, just verify crash fire rescue on landing.
United 520, affirmative.
United 520, ILS 34 left.
United 520, Denver Tower, altimeter 29er, wind 340 at 6, runway 34 left, clear to land, emergency equipment standing by.
34 left, cleared to land, United 520.
Well, altitude alert, United 520, check your altitude immediately, altimeter 29er.
Thanks.
United 520, nice job, when able, stay pilot's intentions.
Yeah, we'd like to have our number 1 engine, left engine, checked out of impact to the gate for United 520.
United 520, roger. You can continue off the runway and hold at your discretion. Emergency equipment will be available on 127.5, 27.5.
27.5, United 520.